Here we are at Gratitude Villa. This has been selected as India's first house of tomorrow. It is one of the most sustainable buildings in our country. We have also received an award from the Government of India's Green Building Department, GRIHA, for exemplary performance in sustainable materials and technologies. I will be sharing with you the 9-point recipe which has been integrated in creating one of the most sustainable buildings of India, Gratitude Villa. The 9 points are as follows. The first one is design. Here in Gratitude, we have a fusion of French heritage, it being close to Pondicherry, as well as modern, experimental and sustainable, it being close to Auroville. We are right at the cusp of Pondicherry and Auroville, and we have the best of both worlds here. In terms of elements, we have incorporated the heritage elements of French design such as cornices, large balconies, verandas, bands around the windows. And in terms of sustainable design, we have an entire bouquet of sustainable materials, technologies, and aspects related to resource efficiency and resource management. In terms of the design, the characteristic of Gratitude Villa is the unfolding balconies from east to west. You start at the eastern end and then almost like an origami fold, you keep unfolding the balconies and it fans out. This also has a beautiful indication in Vastu, it being a Gomukhi house, which means entrance is like the face of a cow, which is narrow at the front and it widens as it goes behind, instead of a Vyagramukhi house, where the face of the lion is big in the front and the body is slimmer at the back. So in Vastu, Gomukhi houses are considered extremely auspicious. So that aspect is also there. Coming back to the design, the color scheme has been designed keeping in mind the very soil from which Gratitude has been built. So it has the base color of white with the accent color of the red earth, the Auroville's red earth on which Gratitude stands, as well as the highlight of grey. The greenery in the background and the blue sky are also part of the color scheme. This is aspect number 1.